Good day to everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the law of total probability. And to start our discussion, suppose we have three urns, namely urn 1 containing 3 blue balls and 2 green balls, urn 2 which contain 1 blue ball and 3 green balls, and urn 3 containing 2 blue balls and 2 green balls. Now the activity is to draw one ball randomly from any one of the three urns. So what is the probability of drawing a green ball? Now, to be able to answer this question, let's try to denote the probability of drawing a green ball by the symbol P of G, where G is the event of drawing a green ball randomly from any one of the three urns. Then, by the law of total probability, this probability of the event G will be given by probability of drawing a green ball from urn 1 times the probability of selecting urn 1 plus the probability of drawing a green ball from urn 2 times the probability of selecting urn 2, and finally probability of picking a green ball from urn 3 multiplied with probability of picking urn 3. Now let's try to determine the probability of selecting randomly any urn from the three urns. Since there are no given restrictions on how we should select any urn from the three urns, then we will assume that the selection is done randomly. And so we say that P of U1 will be equal to P of U2 equal to P of U3 equal to 1/3. And so with that, we can now answer the question by filling in the respective probabilities. The probability of picking a green ball from urn 1 is 2/5 because there are 2 green balls out of a total of 5. And the probability of U1 is 1/3. And then we do the same thing for the other terms. This is 3/4 times 1/3 plus 2/4 times 1/3, from which we get 2/15 plus 3/12 plus 2/12. And using a calculator to evaluate this numerical expression will give us 11/20. As an aside, this will actually answer another question, which is the probability of drawing a blue ball randomly from any one of the three urns. And we can do that by just considering the complement of the probability of picking a green ball. And so we do that by subtracting 11/20 from 1. And so this gives us 9/20. So this, in particular, is the probability of drawing a blue ball randomly from any one of the three urns. To give another example, let us consider the following situation. Suppose we have two stores, Store A and Store B. Store A sells 3 apples, 2 oranges, and 1 banana, while Store B sells 1 apple, 3 oranges, and 2 bananas. From historical records, it is known that a customer is likely to buy from Store A 40% of the time, while any customer is likely to buy from Store B 60% of the time. So we are asked, what is the probability that a person buys an orange? So to answer this question, let us denote the probability of a customer buying an orange as P of orange. And by the law of total probability, this is equal to the probability of buying an orange from Store A multiplied with the probability of buying from Store A, plus the probability of buying an orange from store B multiplied with the probability of buying from store B. Now, the probability of buying an orange from store A uh, would be equal to 2 over 6 because there are 2 oranges out of a total of 6 fruits. And we multiply this with the probability of any customer buying from store A, which is 40%, or in real number terms 0.40, plus the probability of a customer buying orange from store B, which in this case is equal to 3 over 6, multiplied with the probability of any customer buying from store B, which is 0.60. And this will actually give us a fraction, which by using our calculator will give us 13 over 30. And this is approximately equal to 0.43 rounded off to 2 decimal places. So this is the probability of a customer buying randomly an orange from either store A or store B. And now we can also calculate the probability of the other fruits. So the probability for an apple in particular will be equal to 3 over 6, okay, and then multiplied by 0.40 plus 1 over 6 times 0.60, and this gives us 0.3 or 0.30. And finally, the probability for banana will be 1 over 6 times 0.40 plus 2 over 6 times 0.60, and this actually gives us a figure approximately equal to 0.27 rounded off to 2 decimal places. And you will find out that if you try to add all of the probabilities for orange, apple, and banana, they would all sum up to a total probability of 1. So this ends our discussion of the low total probability. So thank you very much and see you in the next video.